G'day trendsetters, just a sneaky quick little video this morning on fertilizing or how to fertilize zucchinis early in the morning, preferably. And this way it will ensure you more zucchini fritters in the evening. Alright, just a quick little video on hand fertilizing zucchinis because for some reason I'm a little bit short on pollinators around here. But how do you tell which is which? Well, clearly this is the female and this one here is the male because it doesn't have the fruiting body. But I've got one down here. This one's a bit old and past it. Hopefully it's been fertilized, but I've got one down here. I'll just move the camera around. Okay. So the male, all I'll do is pull the petals off to reveal pollen. I think that's the pistil, and this should be the stamen, if I'm correct with my Year 7 botany. And all we do is just wipe the pollen over the sticky stamen. Okay, I just need to jump in here. Apparently my Year 7 botany is fairly well up the creek, and I haven't got a clue what I'm talking about. So ignore everything I just said, and we'll go with the part that has the pollen on. Is called the anther. That's the male part. The sticky part that you put the pollen onto is called the stigma, the sticky stigma. So the pollen from the male goes onto the sticky stigma, and the pistil that I was referring to is the combination of all the female parts. So that's the stigma, which is the sticky bit on top, the style, which is where the pollen travels down through into the ovary. And that's where fertilization occurs. Right, back to the video. That's it. Fertilized or pollinated, if you like. You can just get a paintbrush and stick that into the male flower and get the pollen, and then brush the pollen onto the female, if you like, or leave it up to Mother Nature. But you nearly need to come out every morning and do this because the fruit's being set every morning. That's it, just a quick one. If you're having trouble, if you'll see this one down here, this one hasn't been fertilized, so he just basically the flower falls off and it doesn't develop any further. And it will yellow from the tip back. You can still eat that, but it won't develop anymore into a good size zucchini. There's another one back here. I must have missed a couple of days ago. He hasn't. There's another one. So it's pretty clear I'm not getting pollinated here. These guys haven't done the job. You can see this one here's just started dying back, and the fruit's immature. So there you go. If you're having trouble, just come out, grab the male, fertilize the female, and you should be right. Cheers. Thanks for watching.